Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. The recipe that I'm going to share with you today is a quick chicken curry in a hurry. Yes, you heard that right. This comes together perfectly to make a midweek dinner and it's ready in under 30 minutes. Quick, convenient and super tasty. But before I run through the ingredients with you quickly on how to make this wonderful dish, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn your bell notifications on for all things cooking. So let's start. So the ingredients you're going to need is approximately 1 kg of chicken breast fillet cubed into medium pieces. I've got here 250 grams of pre-fried onions. Now these can be purchased in any supermarket world food aisle. Now I would recommend you check the ingredients before you buy because some onions have a coating of flour on them. So if you can find some without the flour coating, that's better because that stops the curry being gloopy and thick. I've got here 1/3 of a cup of oil. I've got here 2 fresh tomatoes which I've just chopped up roughly into wedges, and it doesn't matter what size they are, it's just for the garnishing purposes right at the end. I've got here 1/3 of a cup of yoghurt. I'm using Greek yoghurt here. This equates to 80 grams in weight, and I have the following spices. I've got 2 teaspoons of salt, I've got 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder, and I've got 1 tablespoon of deghi mirch, which is the Kashmeri chilli powder, which will add a really nice flavour but not the heat. And I've also got garam masala, which is 1 heaped tablespoon, and I've got 1 teaspoon of regular chilli powder and 1/2 a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I've got here 1 frozen piece of ginger and garlic here. Now if you don't have these, you can substitute them with a tablespoon of the paste or puree. And I've also got 1 heaped tablespoon of cumin seeds and fresh coriander to garnish at the end. And I've also got 500 millilitres of boiling water here, which equates to 2 mugs. So let's start cooking. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our meat, and it's really easy. All we're going to do is we're going to take our fried onions and add them into our chicken along with the yogurt and the spices and the ginger and garlic. I've just defrosted my ginger and garlic because obviously they were frozen cubes. And just give that a really nice mix and make sure all of that chicken is actually coated in this lovely masala that we've just added in. Right, okay, so all the ingredients are nicely mixed, and all we're going to do is we're just gonna move on to the next stage of the recipe. You don't even need to leave this to rest for any amount of time. So let's move on to the next stage of the recipe. Right, okay, so I've got my pot here which is nice and hot. My heat setting is currently on a 6, which is a medium heat setting, and the first thing I'm going to do is just go in straight with my oil and just let that heat up. Give it a few seconds just to heat up, and then I'm going to throw in my cumin seeds and just toast them lightly. You'll hear them pop a little. That's perfect. And then I'm going to add my chicken straight in, and we're going to fry this for around 4 to 5 minutes. I'm just going to turn my heat setting up to a 9, which is a high heat setting now, and we're just going to fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then after 4 to 5 minutes, I'll show you what you need to do next. Right, okay, so it's been 5 minutes that I've been cooking the chicken on high heat, and then into that I'm just going to go straight in with the water and allow that to just come up to heat. Leave the heat on high and just allow that to come up to the boil. Just give it a mix as well. Right, okay, so now that that's come up to the boil, you're going to pop your lid on, turn your heat setting down to a 5, which is a medium heat setting for my hob, and we're going to allow this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And you don't need to do anything apart from just stir it occasionally, and in 15-20 minutes time I'll show you how it looks. Right, okay, so this has been cooking away for approximately 20 minutes, and you can see that the oil has started to separate and come around the surface here. And if you just give it a stir, the masala is nice and thick, and that's what you want. I mean, if you wanted to cook it a little bit further to reduce the consistency of the curry, you can do, but I actually prefer it like this because I normally eat this with rice, and you want a little bit of curry sort of like for the rice to soak up. And all we're going to do now is we're just going to turn our heat setting off, and at this stage all we're going to do is we're going to throw in our chopped tomatoes like that, and also take our fresh coriander and just throw that right on top and just give that one final mix. Just look at that, how beautiful do those colours look. And there you have it guys, My chicken curry in a hurry is all ready, so let me plate this up and show you guys exactly how it is. So there we have it, guys. My chicken curry in a hurry is all ready, and I'm gonna plate this up and show you guys exactly how it is. Now I'm serving mine with some pre-made rice that I've just picked up from the supermarket. If you're doing a midweek meal, you might as well make things easy for yourself. The curry itself is freshly made and really quick and easy, so why not treat yourself? And this looks absolutely delicious. Just look at that. Perfect. Now the taste test. Oh, okay, chicken is cooked perfectly. That. That is delicious. The chicken is super soft. The gravy, the masala is super smooth and creamy. It's mildly spiced. Now, if you wanted to add more spice into that, you can do it when you marinate the chicken, but that is perfect for me and is absolutely delicious. And you really can't tell that that's come together in under 30 minutes. So there you have it, guys. Quick, easy, and super tasty. Now, leaving you with this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please do give it a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you soon with a new one. Till then, take care and happy eating.